Welcome to our guide on work-from-home productivity tips. Working from home can be a dream come true, but it also brings its own set of challenges. Today we're diving into the top productivity tips for working from home. Tip 1. Create a dedicated workspace. It's crucial to separate work from personal life. Choose a spot that's quiet and free from distractions. This helps you focus and be more productive. Tip 2. Stick to a schedule. Start and end your day at the same time. This routine helps in maintaining a work-life balance and ensures you're not overworking yourself. Tip 3. Don't forget to take breaks. Short, regular breaks are essential. They boost productivity and creativity, giving your mind the rest it needs to stay sharp. Tip 4. Stay connected with your team. In a remote setting, communication is key. Use video calls and regular check-ins to maintain a strong connection with your colleagues. Tip 5. Minimize distractions. This might mean turning off social media notifications and setting boundaries with housemates during work hours. A focused environment leads to more efficient work. Implementing these tips can significantly improve your productivity while working from home. What are your top tips for staying productive? Share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.